Yes, antivirus software really works. Protection is must for all your Windows computers. There are many antivirus in the market. In this video, I will tell you complete overview of K7 Total Security Antivirus. Stay with me. My name is Gaurav and you're watching Honest Mark. As you can see the website of K7 software, it has many options. You can click one of them. You can get all the information about this company from the website, such as mission, vision, and you can also contact them. If you need additional information related to antivirus, you click here. You can purchase any antivirus and get information about it, such as its price, how many features does it supports, and you can download trial version and get a particular information about this product and compare your product with others. This makes it easier to know the features of products. I have already installed this software. You can see in the bottom tray this software is available. You can see the list. Let's go to about. Even you can see the virus definition, released on, license and computer information. Through these options, you can disable product protection. You can enable or disable gaming mode through these options. Let's start. K7 Total Security developed by K7 Computing Private Limited. It is an Indian-based company founded in 1991 by Jayaraman in Chennai. Let's see how to use it. This is an interface of Total Security software. Let's click Home button. There are three information like latest update, virus definition and subscription. Last updated means when was the last time your system has updated. I installed this software at this time and date. Second, virus definition means virus signature, which is updated by the software version. Third, subscription. This means how many days are left to expire this software. I had 1 year subscription which ends in 2021. 4 icons are given at the bottom. Wi-Fi advisor, scan, update, tools. Similar, we have 4 icons are given at the top like help, support, reports and settings. As you can see, a strip of red color is coming in which a risk is written. This means that antivirus have some problem like not scanned, some functions are disabled, not updated. To see it, you have to click on details. Protection functions list are following below, like antivirus and anti-spyware, setting and quarantine, firewall protection, web protection, anti-spam, parental control, privacy protection. Simultaneously, each one of a protection have a function. You can change the behavior of that function by using enable and disable options. Antivirus and anti-spyware protection have many functions. Like first one, the real-time scanning have a 2 option on and off. If I click on it, you can turn off real-time scanning, which is critical to the system. Are you sure you want to do this? So the time period with a drop-down box where the 5 minutes has written. How long to keep it turn off real-time scanning? You can select from these options. You can change more settings about a particular function. You have to press setting button. Here you can change each and everything. This I will tell you later. Similarly, you can change the settings of all the functions. Firewall protection settings also you can change. Within this, you can change the settings of lock options and settings of alert options. You can enable and disable application of control of this function. We have already discussed about this function earlier. If you need help, click on question mark option. In this, you will get a small pop-up in which you will get all the related information. You have to search and all the details about it will come in front of you. After this, we have Wi-Fi advisor. Let's click. In this, you are connected to a network using undefined security. Your communication are encrypted on this network. Network name, authentication type, encryption type and IP address. All this information is here. Next is we have scan. We have 7 options under the scan. If you click arrow, you will get more options. Let's talk one by one. Quick scan. Scan the critical areas that are likely to get infected by viruses and spyware. Custom scan. Scan our specific folder or drive. Click on it. As you can see the drives, you can select any drive and scan. Complete scan, that's mean all the data of your computer will be completely scanned, as well as it will tell you when the last time it was scanned. Rootkit scan scans for hidden malicious files on your computer. Click on arrow, you will get more information. Vulnerability scan all the applications for vulnerability that can be exploited to infect your computer. Let's click on it. So quickly it scanned. You can see found, scanned, vulnerable and the result also. In the bottom, exclude, clean, delete and quarantine. Even you can check the status, action pending. You can delete or you can make isolate. Plus in the description you will get a file path in this. Abnormal changes scans for any abnormal changes made to critical system settings that can be modified by viruses. Let's click on it. You can see that quickly it is done and nothing changed by virus. Tracking cookies scan the data stored by websites to track your identities. Let's go back to the screen. Here we have three settings. First is scan settings, schedule scan, manage schedule scan. Click on scan settings. This function allows you to scan your system manually anytime. The options here help you to customize the scanning process. In this, what to scan, all files automatically identification, specific extension, even the system area to scan. If you got a virus found, then what action you need to take. This all things you can change. I select specific extension in that customize option. This can scan files and specific extension. The list below help you to customize the extension. You can add and delete a particular extension. The huge list which is you can select or you need to delete that you can delete. Suppose I want to add a particular extension in it. You have to type and add. It will scan all the extensions as well as scan an extension that you have given. You will check the area on which you want to scan. If you do not, then uncheck it. Next we have schedule scanning. In this, you can specify a short description for the task, folders and device you want to scan. You can also select scan all devices on your system. For an example, you can select any particular folder and file. This is a task description that what you want to do. Next is manage schedule scan. Inside it you can scan directly and make a schedule by description area for your specific date and time and when it will scan next time. Next we have update. In it periodically checks for updates, downloads and installs product and virus definitions updates automatically. We have two options, run update now and configure update. Let's click. In this, your antivirus will do automatically update in which you can check or uncheck. Select the sequence. You can download by internet or you can update by local server or directly by server. When updating through internet, you need a proxy server or you have an IP address that also it is available. Through this you can also update. So we have a last option, that is tools. In this we have 9 utility tools which is very important for your safety of your computer. USB vaccination, vaccinate against auto-run malware, secure data, erase data securely, it will not recover. Windows temp cleaner, clean up Windows temporary file. Suppose for an example I have a temporary file so many that I want to delete. So through this option you can delete. Computer tune up. Through this you can enhance your computer performance. Internet Explorer History Cleaner, erase Internet Explorer history just like this. It will clean URL, cache and registry. Internet Temp Cleaner, clean up internet temporary files. Click next. You can see here is the active history eraser. So whatever the activity you are doing in computer, it will erase. Next is we have a virtual keyboard. Type without keyboard, mean do not use your keyboard because hackers can hack your device. So the virtual keyboard is very easy to use for your bank passwords and sensitive work. Disk optimization enhance the performance of your disk. You can select any disk and optimize it. Let's go back to screen. On the top help option we have already discussed. Under report we have three options: quarantine manager, system monitoring event and security history. In quarantine manager, infected and suspicious file could be isolated on a quarantine folder before cleaning. You can view or take action on these files. System monitor event constantly monitors your computer. If you about any change to your computer, right now there is no action taken. Security history view all the security events such as virus detection, firewall and other protection activities. Let's click on it. This information will tell you each and every event. For an example, antivirus, firewall and privacy. In this you can see errors, information, exploit found details, data locker found and viruses found. 33 entries. If you want to see virus found events, you will get a list of viruses which had found recently. Similarly, you want to see the scan summary, how many times you have scanned your system and files, all the information you can see. Under the firewall option, application control function have a huge list which software has been protected by firewall. This list has mentioned. Network traffic is the amount of data moving across a network that is given point of time. So you can see the action has blocked. Under the privacy option, data security concerned with the proper handling of data. We have three buttons. First is save. You can save all the reports in your computer. Refresh button to generate a new report. Clear option is used to clear all the details whatever that you are getting. Let's back to settings. Under the setting function, it has many control function. Every function has its own control. Let's select antivirus. You can scan all files, automatic identification, specific extension, detect spyware and adware. Let's click to customize. In this, which type of threaten you want to detect. In the below list, you can select or uncheck. Next, firewall. Firewall allow you to record the various activities of product. In the log option, you can increase the days of your log file. You can enable logged in network events, even the application access. If you do not want to see the alert message, that you can disable only the disable critical alerts. In the instructions tab, this instructions tab automatically detects and block most common internet attacks. Here is the list of critical attacks. Next tab, application. In the application access the list of programs that you may have been configured to use the internet. You can allow to full access or deny or a set of rules of these programs. List of application managed by firewall. You can add, delete and remove. Second tab is exceptions. In this tab you can create a custom rules for the current security label selected for the connection. You can add, edit, remove. You can shift your rules up and down. The first tab is a connection. Firewall automatically assign the security label for a network. You may change the location to any active connection. Which connection of our internet is connected to your home, that all information is here. Next we have a configure spam filter. In this approved tab, you can specify email address and domain. The list whatever it will not block. You can add any URL or email ID, that also you can remove. Under the web protection setting, now in this you can enable or disable the security. You can protect your computer from harmful websites or stealing your sensitive information. Enable search by online. While using your internet, you can protect your identification. Next we have a manage device access. So in this tab you can access CDs, DVDs and floppy disk. You can control whether these files can copy or executable. Also access to these devices can be restricted with password. Next we have privacy and services. In this privacy configuration tab, you can edit or add, protect your personal information like credit numbers and email address and sensitive information. You can add trusted websites where the information can be sent. Let's go back to the screen. We have a second parental control. Manage kids' online activity. In this, you can create and manage users' account, assign different access control for each user. You can create a particular user, even you can customize by using web filter, browsing settings, add server list. Under the web filter, you can customize the web filter, even the web filter log. Select a specific user and you can add websites you want to allow or block for the users. Next we have a general settings access control. In this, here you have a access. You can set a password to prevent a user from changing product configuration, disabling and uninstalling the product. Access control by the non-admin users or need password access to change settings. You can enable startup splash screen, non-critical messages, auto update and many more. In the password setting, you can set a password to prevent users from the changing product configuration. Even you can add and remove excluded websites domain from web traffic deep inspection. Let's scan computer. Click the second scan icon. The first one is a quick scan, which will scan your selected and important files. It is done. Scan completed. No virus found. If you want to see the list of threats, you can go to online website which is available the list of current latest threats, security risk, virus threats and list of virus encyclopedia. Next is custom scan. Here you can select any folder, any device or any particular file. Now the scanning is going on which I have selected particular folder. Now after the few seconds it is finding the objects and the result prepared. Now here the scan completed, no virus found. Here is the summary of a scan, files found total and files scanned, how many, files infected and many more details. In the down, scan result where the item description, the problem description and the status. You can make them quarantines, delete, scan, excluded. Complete scan. Here it will scan your complete computer. After scanning, you can see the last scan which is identified by date and time. Next we have a rootkit scan which will scan hidden files on your computer. This software is pretty very easy to use and it is available in market. If you want to protect your computer, so this software is very necessary for you. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this information? Please share this little information with your friends.